Welcome to in the 16th day of the AJ90JS challenge, and I hope everything going great from your side with honesty. If you don't know about this JavaScript challenge, then please head over to the description box of this video or watch the first video of this channel. By the way, here is a plan for today's, and let's get into the real adventure of JavaScript. First, today solve a code words problem that was based on the number manipulation. We have to return a number with negative sign, but maybe a number is already negative. Then return it as it is, right? Here we have to use some conditional statement, right? That's why I am using ternary operator over here. As you already know from the last video that we can chain this ternary operator as well. If the number is less than 0, then return it as it is. Otherwise, if the number is greater than 0, then return with the negative sign. Else return 0 as the output of the whole expression, because 0 is the signless value, and that's it, right? Then I complete the documentation about repetition structure in JavaScript on GitHub. And as you already know in the second last video, that repetition structures are generally known as loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code again and again, right? There are 5 kinds of loop in JavaScript. The first one is while, second one is do while, third one is for, fourth one is for it, and the last one is for of. However, in JavaScript there are built-in methods that are used to execute a block of code again and again, similar to traditional loops, right? Such as map, filter, for each, repeat methods. But these methods are not considered as traditional loops because they are higher order function and they hide the actual implementation of loops. That's why we do not consider these methods as a traditional loops, right? And finally, shoot and uploaded a video for you, went to the gym, and that's all. That was some challenges I faced on the 16th day of the AJ90JS challenge. Let me know what obstacles or challenges you faced on this day.